Hello, welcome to another episode here at Big Man in the Woods. Mark here, helping you deliver more practical skills. Now today I'm in my shed, bit yucky outside, but I thought I'd answer a question I get asked all the time, and that's how to build the easiest campfire. So before I show you how to build your easy campfire, let me remind you to subscribe to Big Man in the Woods, click the bell up there, and you'll get all the notifications on future vlogs that I upload, basically. A question I get asked tons and tons of times, and particularly when I was at the NEC a couple of weeks ago at the camping show, is how do I build that fire? There's millions and tons of ways to build it, the wigwam, log cabin, upside down fire. There's a whole ways, but how do I, as Big Man in the Woods, teach my scouts how to build a fire? Right, let's go down on the shed floor and build a really basic fire. Safety first, as always. I've got a cup of water. I've been to the park and I've got a whole load of wood here, but this is exactly what scouts do, isn't it? They dump it here and they don't actually grade it. So let's quickly grade this. What am I talking about grading? It means putting it into sections. So the small thin stuff will be here, and then we work all the way up till the end where we would have big logs. Right, so it doesn't have to be exactly that neat, but as you can see, I'm going to start this end with the kind of pencil thin twigs like this, and then we would work all the way up to our bigger wood, and then this end you would start putting your big maintenance logs for the cooking. But in this video, we're just going to keep it nice and simple and just do a really bog standard small campfire just here on the floor. Now, obviously, safety first. Like I said, we've got our water here, and if I was doing this, I wouldn't do it straight on the concrete, but I'm just showing you as an example here because it's rather yucky outside in the garden. But let's do it right here on the floor. So how I was always taught, I was taught this trick, or technique should I say, on the Frontier Bushcraft course with Paul Kirtley, and that was just to build a basic platform, and that is just to get the oxygen, as we all know, just to get it up off the ground, because Mother Earth will suck all our energy out. Okay, so we're just building a platform, and that's it. That's as simple as how I start my campfires, just like this. Okay, and then what we would do is, if you're going to use some silver birch or whatever, however you're going to get your fire going, in this instance we'll use some cotton wool and some Vaseline. Get our sticks ready, whatever we're going to use. We're going to use these small bits, aren't we, to start the campfire. Let's just fluff up our cotton wool. This one's got a bit of Vaseline on it. Fluff that up, just like so. And then using our striker, our fire steel, fire rod, whatever you want to call this. There she goes. And then we just start feeding our fire. Keeping that kind of platform technique if we can. If this is a big campfire, I would get a big whole load of bundle and just put it straight on there and let her help us. But this, guys, is how I make my campfire, using that platform technique. And as we don't want this campfire, just gonna pour it out. So there we are, guys. That's how I build my easy peasy campfire fires, just using that platform technique. Okay, really simple, really basic. If you want some more tips and tricks about fire lighting, don't forget to subscribe up here. Click on the link here and you'll be able to find some more ways on how I make my own fire lighters using the fire biscuits, whether it's the fire logs. There's a whole load of things that you can make to save some money and do some more fire lighting, and this is how I use it in my barbecues as well. Yeah, cool. Hope you had an enjoyable vlog, and I taught you some really basic things about how to make a campfire. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.